Hello, welcome to Life and Beyond. I'm Sangeeta and here we discuss everything about health, happiness and productivity. Who doesn't want an easy life? But the people who are so-called super productive, even them have their own stresses. They are not able to complete all the things in the to-do list. Many responsibilities are not addressed. Many commitments are not done. So what about most of us who are just average performers who just thinks about crossing the bridge once they reach the bridge? So here I am going to discuss with you one rule which is super easy, which is super productive and which will make your life a hell lot better. Today I am going to talk about a principle called Pareto principle or the 80-20 rule. This was brought forward by an Italian economist, Vilfredo Pareto, in 1906. He found that in Italy, 80% of the wealth were owned by 20% of the people. He also noticed something else. 80% of the peas in his garden were produced by 20% of the pea plants. So you might be thinking, did I hear it right? What is the relation between Italy's wealth and Pareto's pea plants? When he extrapolated these results to any field, he got the same results. That is, he found that in whatever field he chose, 80% of the results were produced by 20% of the efforts. Many other researchers took his principle and applied it to various sorts of subjects. The results they found were the same. 20% of salesmen in a firm yielded 80% of the sales. 20% of the customers filed 80% of the complaints. 20% of the customers accounted to 80% of the sales. Whatever field you take, that was the same. So leave alone Italy's economy. How can we apply Pareto principles and make our lives a little bit better? Most of us consider ourselves busy or productive, but we know that being busy is not equal to being productive. Yes, we are going about our days doing a lot of things frantically without a pause. When we get up, there is social media stuff waiting for us. There are emails for which we have to send replies. There are pressures from the work. There are family commitments. There are social responsibilities. And we go to bed dead tired, having a very big backlog of what is to be completed tomorrow. On the other extreme, we spend our days without doing anything else. So, how can we use Pareto principles and make a change in our lives? There are three ways of using Pareto principle. The first thing is to write down all the things that you have to do in a day. Start from your morning. Don't do anything else, just note it down. Don't change your habits, don't change the things what you are doing, but just write it down. For 2-3 days, you do this. And then you identify the 20% of the things that are very important for you and which will yield 80% of the results. Once you identify this 20% of the things that will yield 80% of the results, make it a rule that you complete it in the beginning of the day. And the rest of the 80%, you can either choose to do them or you can have your well-deserved free time. That won't make much of a change. The second way to do it is to prioritize. Write down 10 most important tasks, the tasks which you consider as most important in your life. High likely the possibility is that 2 of these tasks can yield 80% of the results you desire and the rest 8 will contribute only to 20% of the results. Identify these 2 components of the things that you have to do in a day and make sure you eat that frog in the morning itself. Make sure that 2 things are done the first thing in the day. And the rest 8, yes, you can choose to do that, or you can get your deserved free time. The third way of using Pareto principle is to have a chunk of 96 minutes of a day doing something focused, intentional, and goal-directed activity. So what is this 96 minutes? Considering an average 8 hours working day, that means you have 480 minutes per day. 20% of this is 96 minutes. So we choose to do the things that is most important, that will make our life choices good, that will make our future better. So we choose that most important thing and we give it a block of 20% of our time. And believe me, that 20% of the time, of the total work time that you invest on that goal-directed activity will be yielding the 80% of the result that you want to achieve in your life. So what are the plus points if you use this principle in your life? The first thing is you will have your priorities set right. You know what you have to prioritize, you know how to go about them. Second thing is you won't miss any area of the life. Most of the time what happens is we focus our total attention to one area of the life, but life when taken as a whole, there are a lot of areas which goes unnoticed. The third thing is you will be totally productive and not just busy. You will have your life in your control. You will have a well-deserved free time which you can choose to do whatever you want. And the most important thing is that you will have the right things done in your life. So today, take a break and ask yourself some questions. Be it any area of your life. If it's in your health, what are the 20% changes that you can make in your diet plan that can give you 80% of the results? If it is cutting down on buying the junk food, cutting down on going out and eating that fast food, whatever it is. Or what are the 20% changes that you can make in your workout plan that will yield 80% of the results? If it is in your work, what are the 20% changes that you can make in your work life that will make you 80% more productive? So, give it a thought and see the results for yourself. Bye-bye.